Hello and welcome to the Western Civilization course. My name is Barbara Cook. I will be your instructor for the semester. Now remember, this is a mini semester, so you will need to make sure that you are completing all of your assignments on time because it will go very quickly. I want to show you how to navigate this course. All of your quizzes will be inside each chapter. So if you look over here on the left side under course materials, you will click there, and then this module is laid out by chapter. When you are ready for chapter 1, you can click on that. Now, I really like that this textbook offers so many resources for the students to help you better study for the quizzes and the exam. We have an outline. You have flashcards. Sorry, my computer's just a little bit slow. You can do the worksheet. Some great things about this is that there's some videos that you can watch that will help you better understand the material that is presented in the chapters. And then once you have read the chapters and maybe done a lot of these resources, the review quiz is the very last thing that you will do. You will click here to launch. Now, I've given you 60 minutes for each one of the quizzes. Once you start a quiz, you cannot stop it and then come back later. You have to complete it in one setting. Each one of these quizzes have a due date. It will be listed here. It's also going to be listed over here under due dates, and it's also going to be in the syllabus. I highly recommend that you print the syllabus out so that you can see all the important information about this course, along with how I will grade and all of the due dates for the quizzes, discussions, and exams. Once you are ready for the quiz, you will just click begin. Each one of these is going to give you one question at a time. You cannot go back, so make sure that you answer each question as you progress, because if not, you will miss that question. I highly recommend that you do these assignments days in advance, because if any issues have come up, you can contact me before then, because once a due date has expired, any assignment will not be turned back on. All of your quizzes are due on Saturdays by 11:59 p.m. Now, you can work ahead. I've had students in the past that will finish the course halfway through and not have to worry about the course any longer. You are more than welcome to do that. I just highly recommend that you be very careful and not go too fast and do poorly on the assignments. Your exams, there are 2 exams. You will find those under the exams. Your midterm exam will cover chapters 1 through 4. Your final exam will cover chapters 5 through 9. Again, these are, once you start, you must complete. You cannot backtrack, one question at a time. There are 50 questions. They will be worth 2 points apiece. And they will be random questions. Not everybody will have the same questions. You can look at your grades once you've completed an assignment. Once you have finished an assignment, your grade will post over here onto the right. Syllabus is right here, along with the textbook information. You 100% need the textbook. There is no way that you are going to pass this course without the textbook. Because this is an online class, you are responsible for reading the material and studying for it on your own, so there is no way that you can do this without a textbook. There's also a link for the ebook that you can purchase. The ebook is not free. You must purchase it. There is a calendar as well where you can look at and you can see when all of your assignments for this class are going to be due. I highly recommend that you look at this often to keep yourself updated on what's going to be due. Now, the very first assignment is the attendance verification discussion. That needs to be completed by Thursday, October 15th by 5 p.m. Financial aid and other scholarships require that we turn in this verification so that they can make sure that they are paying for the courses for the students. The discussion, you can go here to the discussion board, and then you will click on attendance verification discussion, and then you will create your own by, introduction. And then you can just keep adding to this chain. Any announcements that I make will be found here. You will also get an email with the information. I highly recommend that you look at the emails. If you are not used to looking at your Gadsden State emails, I highly recommend that you start doing so, because all of your professors will be emailing you only to this email address. They will not use your Gmail or Yahoo account or any other account that you may have. Only your Gadsden State email are used by your professors and Gadsden State. There are a lot of resources here that will also help you navigate Blackboard. If you have any technological issues, I cannot help you. You are going to have to do technology help or Blackboard help. I cannot help you with that. I do not know a whole lot about computers, so I cannot fix those issues for you. Let's see. Okay. I think that is it. I will post this in the tab where it says begin here, and it'll be above the announcements. I will also put it in the announcements for you to check this. Please reach out to me with any questions or concerns that you may have via email. Because I am an adjunct, I do not have an office or a phone at Gadsden State. So email is the only way to contact me. I will check my emails daily. If you do not hear from me right away, that is perfectly fine. Once I get your email, I will respond. There is no need for multiple emails. All right, well, that about covers everything. I look forward to this semester, and I wish you all very well in this course. Thanks. Bye-bye.